Welcome to another tutorial for orthographic drawing. Here are the materials needed. And this is the object that we need to convert. First step, make sure to mount your paper properly. Next is to divide the paper into 4 quadrants using the following measurements: 3.5 inches starting from the upper borderline going downwards, and then 5.5 inches starting from the left side going to the center. Once you're done with the first 2 guidelines, let's now add 4 more by measuring 1 centimeter from the vertical line on both sides of it as well as on the horizontal line. Going back to this picture as our reference, for our front view, let's start creating it in the 3rd quadrant. So in the intersection of the 3rd quadrant, let's measure 6 centimeters as the width and the height of the object. Now let's add the following measurements in order for us to add the details in our front view. So 4 centimeters, 2 centimeters on the top, and then another 2 centimeters on the left side. Once we're done with the details of the front view, let's now extend all the vertical lines to the top view and all horizontal lines on the right side view. Now let's add the depth of the object by starting at these 2 intersections right here. Measure 6 centimeters and then start finalizing the top and the right side view. Now let's finalize the drawing by using our technical pen and then using the lighter technical pen for our hidden line. Again, the darker for the outline or for the visible, and then lighter for the hidden line. Once you're done, don't forget to erase the guidelines. To finalize our drawing, now let's put the label for each view by measuring 1/4 inch for the text and 1/4 inch for the space. Once you're done with the guidelines, start writing the label for each view. After that is to use your technical pen in order to trace it. Don't forget to erase the guidelines afterwards. Then that's it. You're done already with your orthographic drawing. You have the three main views as well as its corresponding label. Thank you for watching.